In my last dragon fruit video update, cogon grass was competing with our dragon fruit plants. They were just as healthy like our plants. We all knew that weeds absorb nutrients from the soil. How we clear the overgrown unwanted weeds? In our farm, we choose the labor-intensive method. Since we don't want to use chemicals to get rid of this unwanted grass, proper mowing and digging around the dragon fruit plant to loosen the soil and take out the weeds. It is important to remove unwanted weeds and grass. They compete for light, nutrients, and available water in the soil. They can damage the plants as our plant will not be able to get the proper amount of nutrients and minerals. To have a healthy dragon fruit plant, consistent weeding and checking of stems is essential. Always remember, there is no substitute in proper maintenance and continuous learning in farming. Stay safe everyone. Happy farming!